Now, recently I've been using a trading robot where you deposit your funds in there and they trade for you through an AI trading robot. And I'm always asked the question, is it working? Can you withdraw from it? And, are you getting daily returns? So in this video, I'm going to show you the returns that I'm getting. I'm going to show you a live withdrawal right now in this video. Let's head over to my back office. So you can see I'm going to click on withdraw. And I'm going to select the token. I'm going to do USDC and paste the code inside there, which is the wallet address, obviously. And then here I'm going to select the blockchain. So I'm doing the Binance Smart Chain. Click continue. And then from here, I'm going to do the max. So I'm withdrawing 38.35. Click withdraw. Get that pop up. Got to put my Google Authenticator in there. So give me a second to do that. Type that in there and then click continue. So now, as you can see, my withdrawal's on its way. So as you can see there's my withdrawal and it's pending at the moment. So let's check out my wallet, see how that does. So if we're looking on the screen now, you can see 38.36 because out of that 39.76 I had to pay a small fee. And if I click on that and go down to the transactions, you can see that that came in yesterday at 11, just before 11 o'clock yesterday evening. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to exchange that up for Great British Pounds inside my bank here, which is what I love with this. Now, this bank account, I've also got a debit card that I can use in the stores, and I use this on a day-to-day basis. So I'm just going to click on exchange, swap that round, and I'm going to do the full amount, exchange that. And if I go over to my stable coins, I've now got that sitting in there in pounds. If I go to over to here, my crypto, I can deposit a lot of different tokens into here. There's a ton of tokens that I can deposit into here, and then I could spend that money. But this video is not about this bank account. It's about Aurum and the trading robot and can you withdraw your funds. So here I am inside my Aurum back office, and I've only got a trading robot trading now with $148.61. And if we look down here, these are the daily profits that I've got from this. So going back to the 1st of October, bearing in mind it's only just over $100 here. I'm compounding at the moment, but I wanted to do this video to show you that you can actually withdraw your profits if you want to, and you don't have to compound. So I'm getting here roughly, if you look here, 0.5% there, 0.44%. This is on a daily basis, 0.28%. Another one there, 2.4%. Got one up here. Look, the highest one is 0.52%. Obviously, it's down here, the 21st, because this one doesn't come in till tonight. So at the moment, it's not showing anything. That's why you've got that big drop. So does this system work? Yes. Does it give you daily returns? Yes. Can you withdraw out of it? Yes. Now, I'm absolutely blown away with this. Now, one of the guys above me in this business has actually done withdrawals of $250,000 over the last 5 months. And, he's shown me proof of that. This system is working. You can withdraw. Now, if you're interested in finding out about not only this trading robot, but the whole ecosystem that they're building, below this video, you're going to find a link. Click that link, then I want to send you this video presentation. It's absolutely blinding. I've also got a video there to show you how to get set up. And, this trading robot has been trading for just over a year and a half now, and it's generating, on average, a monthly returns of 18.5%. Now, that is absolutely mind-boggling, I think, that 18.5% on average using this trading robot. So if you're interested to find out more, click the link below. And as you can see, they're doing a comparison. In 2023, the monthly average ROI was 14.5%. And in 2024 was 18.1. Obviously, 25 is not finished yet. But if you want to find out more, click the link below this video. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.